Seek and Spell Challenge is a fun, hands-on word work activity that boosts spelling and word recognition skills significantly. It's aligned with Common Core standards for 2nd through 5th grade. Students try to form words by moving a set of paper letter tiles or dragging digital letters. The challenge? To find the mystery word that uses all of the letters. You'll get a detailed teacher's guide, printable and digital student activity pages, record-keeping forms, rubrics, and editable templates. You'll find more than enough mystery word activities to use the program on a weekly basis all year. Seek and Spell is super easy to differentiate too. Beginning readers look for basic sight words, and students who love a challenge hunt for longer words. The Google Classroom activities can be assigned for independent practice, and the printables work great for partner activities, guided reading groups, and literacy centers. You'll love seeing your students improve their spelling skills while having so much fun they don't even realize they're learning. The Seek and Spell Challenge resources can be purchased separately on TPT, but you'll save over 40% if you purchase them together in a bundle.